What's up guys? I'm talking about the Swan Isopropyl alcohol today. As you can see, this alcohol is green in color. It's like a teal-like color. This is a staple inside the home. It's perfect for decreasing germs in cuts and scrapes. This not only can be used as a disinfectant to the skin, but it can also be used as a disinfectant for surfaces. I use this product to clean off my electronics, my cell phone, and my laptop. But when I put it on the skin, it feels very cool on the skin. When you apply this alcohol on your cuts, it will burn, okay? But I'm sure you guys know that. It will really burn. But the burning is just this product disinfecting the scrape or the cut on your skin. This product is an overall good product, but the burning is really painful when you apply this. But overall, it gets the job done. That's all I have to say in this video. If you're interested in this product, check out the description box. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video, and I'll see you guys in the next review.